Hello and welcome to Ahrex fly tying. My name is Håkan and today we will be tying a hopper. Quite simple hopper but very effective. And we are using foam, elk hair and some rubber legs. The hook we are using today is the freshwater short shank, the 504 or 505 if you want it barbless. This is the size 14. We set the thread. And for the abdomen and head of the fly, we're using foam. This is so-called Loco foam, which has the flash side and the ordinary black on the other side. You can use a green or you can use a tan or brownish if you want. I'm using this peacock today. And I've cut out a strip which I've sort of rounded in one end. And I tie it in with the flash facing downwards, just behind the middle of the hook. Like this. We tie down the foam forward. And then the wing and sort of the smaller legs on the hopper, we're using elk hair. So just prepared a small bunch of hair, cut off some of it, and let's see if it's long enough. Yeah, that works. We tie it in towards the abdomen like this, and we cut off all the waist. You can, of course, if you want, you can add some dubbing on this part, but I make it as easy as possible. And then I'll just take rubber leg. This is a brown with olive bars on. And I cut off two small pieces and tie them in, one on each side. Like this. Oops. And the same on the other side. Like this. And then I just fold back the foam strip and tie it down. And move forward to the hook eye and make a whip finish. And if necessary, I just cut off the foam strip a bit shorter. And there you have very simple but buoyant hopper, which you can vary sizes and colors, whatever you want.